안녕하세요, 존슨입니다. 오늘이 영어 표현 car and driver idioms. So, 자동차 관용구. 미국은 자동차 문화 많이 있으니까 자동차 관용구도 많이 있어요. Since America has a big car culture, there are a lot of car phrases and car idioms. Let's see. First one, this is a big one. Backseat driver. Backseat driver. This is a passenger in the car who is giving the driver unwanted advice. Most drivers, understandably, find this very annoying and frustrating. Example, Susie is a classic backseat driver. She's always complaining about her husband going too fast and flinches every time she sees brake lights up ahead. Backseat driver. Do you know someone who's a backseat driver? 2. Road hog. Road hog, like a big road pig, huh? This is a driver who is dangerous because they do not think about other drivers and they do not share the road. Example. Whoa, that guy is such a road hog. He's going to cause an accident. Road hog, road hog. 3. Lemon, lemon. Right? A lemon. Oh! This refers to a car that seemed okay on the outside, but after you buy it, you discover there are many problems, defects, and it needs a lot of repairs. Example. That jerk sold me a lemon. He said the car was fine, but I just found out it was in a flood last year and needs many repairs. Lemon. He sold me a lemon. 4. Put the pedal to the metal. Put the pedal to the metal. It means to drive as fast as possible, pushing the accelerator to the floor. Example. You know the deadline for your report is coming up soon. Like I say, when I'm getting on the highway, it's time to put the pedal to the metal. Pedal to the metal.